Oh no. Oh my gosh. We have not been to Costco in over a month. We have a full restock. My fridge is completely empty. Let's do this, girls. Our budget today is to stay between $150 and $200, but what do you think we're actually gonna spend? You want to walk? Best apples. Did you guys know pomegranates were this big? Oh my gosh. Hey, what are you doing? We love these. Who's gonna be feasting? Who's feasting? Hey. All right, are these really worth the hype? I keep seeing everyone drinking them, but are they really that good? For the kiddos? Still. It is literally negative 45 degrees in here. Household staple. We make these yummy chicken burritos and I forgot the tortillas. I'll go find them. These are so much better than regular tortillas. Oh no. All right, we good? I just made a mess. Do you think we've stuck to budget?
No, never.
I'm trying my hardest. We're out of food. I will say we did all of our meat from Beehive Mills and Beck Ranch, so we don't need to focus on that, mainly just other stuff. I did not know they had this at Costco. The Beth's mouthwash.
I guess so.
Moment of truth. Let's go check out the
Favorite part.
I'll just give you a hint. We blew the budget. That being said, remember our little game? Whoever gets the closest, I Venmo a little treat or drink. So guess the total. Big ol' game of Tetris. We're gonna go treat ourselves to some In-N-Out. Love you, bye!